I'm just speaking my mind. Listen, 2020, no filter. We not editing out anything. We just speaking our mind. Who not like it? Who like it? Me not worry about none.
What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful, though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Wagwan KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. In this video, a bag of stuff I got GWAAN and a bag of stuff I got talk. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. As you guys can see by the title, I'll be showing you guys a couple of empties that I have for December. Surprisingly, your girl have a couple of empties, and this gonna be my last video for 2019. 2020 finna be lit. I'm putting it out there, I'm speaking it out there into existence. I'm just throwing it out there. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be the year to just take off doing what I love to do, putting out great contents for you guys. And 2020 gonna be lit. I can't bother, you know. I cannot bother. Today is December 30th. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve. Today I'm off from work. Today's Monday. I feel good. I feel blessed. I just feel stress-free, relaxed. Anyways, I never want to get up, you know. You know how I'm there, I snap on one stool. So you know the ground is far. Okay, KKs. Just say I'm blessed, I'm stress free, and I just stay positive. And you just drop all about the place. You not gonna show another box. You stay right there. So like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, as you can see in my box right here, I have a couple of empties, and I'll be showing it to you guys, talking about the products, letting you know if I would purchase again or trash it. Alright, since I want to drop all over the place and you want to be seen, I'm gonna make you the first product. The first product is the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers for braiders. Gone. Empty. Can't even find one little spot. Oh, find one little bit. But gone. Empty. Clean, clean, clean. Mind you, this was my second buy. This product right here is really good. I use this Shine and Jam when I'm braiding because it parts my hair really straight and it gives me a good hold, you know, at the roots before adding the braiding here, or even if you're doing regular braids. It's probably the second or third. I feel like this is my third one. I've been going through this is the third one since 2019. This is the third one. Yes. Not saying it doesn't hold much, but it's just that good that every time I braid my hair or crochet or, you know, those other things, this is always a part of my hair routine, this product. And dun, 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 number 4, yeah, definitely worth the repurchase. Definitely, I really like it. See, full, ready to use. I used it one time when I was doing this, one use. See, it's still full. Telling you, there's a lot in it, so that's not the reason why. It's just good, very good, very good. Shout out to you, Stasha Harris. You know, you just gotta support black owned, and I think she's Trini. Big up yourself, girl. So next we have is the Aquageez Serious Care Protection Pro Vitamin Leave-In Conditioner. It's empty, barely anything in there, nothing at all, just liquid drippings down here. So, and this one I've had this for even before I went natural. I think I've had this since I was transitioning to natural hair, and I like it, but you have better out there. You know, this is good because it has the protein in it and all of that, and it protects against heat and all that. I don't use heat in my hair. I don't use blow dryer, flat iron, none of that. Air dry all the way. Not that I have anything against heat, but for now, as far as I know, I won't be using any heat in my hair, and I haven't used heat in my hair since 2017. I love Aquageez brand. They have a couple of products that I really like. I have more to show, but this trash, sis. I'm not saying it's bad, but don't let it sound like that. I guess I'm just speaking my mind. Listen, 2020, no filter. We not editing out anything. We just speaking our mind. Who not like it? Who like it? I'm not all about nothing. This, I want to buy again. No, this is a no for me. I'm not buying back this again. Let me just state my reason why I wouldn't repurchase this. It feels like it's just, it says it has protein in it, which I believe, because a lot of their products, you just know when your hair get good protein treatment. Like, I like their treatments, their hair treatments and stuff like that, but this, it just feels like it's just water on my hair. Doesn't make my hair feel softer, or you know how leave-ins make your hair feel soft, easy to manage, easy to comb. Everybody here different, so maybe it might work for you. What might work for me might not work for you, and what might work for you might not work for me. That's that. Next, we have the Aquageez Serious Care and Protection Keratin Green Tea Restructurizer. This one is very good. This green tea reconstructor, I love this. The amount of buckle I got through from my relaxed days to be natural, this is definitely I'm gonna repurchase this one. It's a must, because it played a big role in my hair care routine, relaxed days, and now natural. The protein, it strengthens my hair, and you know, makes my hair feels like my strands feel strong, healthy, you know, wow, with a bag of things. So this is definitely, I'm gonna repurchase this one. One month a girl we up, yeah. Number don't lie, yeah. Here we have the Carl's Daughter Black Vanilla Moisture and Shine Sulfate Free Shampoo. So UNNU, right? Say, from the starting of my natural hair journey, I've been raving about this company, this brand. This one is very good. I think this is probably like my third bottle for the year as well, since I started my natural hair journey. I really like this. It makes my hair feels really clean. It smells really good, and it's definitely worth a repurchase. I just wish it did cheaper, a little bit cheaper. It's funny how a friend of mine introduced me to this company, this brand. Big up yourself, Tiff. I don't know if you're watching, but big up yourself. You introduced me to this, and ever since she introduced me to these products, never turn back. Like, I love it. Next, we have the Carl's Daughter Black Vanilla Moisture and Shine Hair Sheen. This one, I know and I'm sure that, I'm sorry guys, I'm not just saying, this definitely worth a repurchase. I don't know how much buckle I got through since 2019. I'm not over exaggerating, but I feel like this is buckle number 10. It could be more, it could be more, but number don't lie, girl. What amount of buckle me get? Yeah, number don't lie, number don't lie. A 10. See, popcorn tell you no, and a 10. I mostly wear high puffs. That's my go-to hairstyle. If I am in a rush and my hair is not combed, definitely a high puff. And when you do your high puff and just spray this on the top and go, wash shine like you out the door. And it's not heavy, it's not greasy, it's very lightweight, but I really like this. I need to make a trip to Target very soon because I have gift cards that I got from Christmas from my job, Target. So I need to make a trip very soon, and this is definitely on my shopping list. Next we have the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Grapeseed Style and Shine Recipes Shine Boss. This is a refreshing sheen mist. It's similar to the one that I just showed you from Carl's daughter. This one smells really good. Great product. It reached right here, so it's almost empty, so why not show it? I personally like the Carl's daughter sheen mist better than this one. I feel like it's more, it lasts longer. It smells really good. This works well too. This is lightweight. Now I'll put this down because I love this. If it's not the Carl's daughter, it's this one, no other. So this is definitely worth a repurchase as well. And it's, you know, it's always good to have both of them, nothing wrong. When you're a product junkie, that's how you think. You don't think, oh, let me just get one. You want two of them. But this is definitely worth the repurchase. Next we have the Carl's Daughter Black Vanilla Moisture and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. I definitely will be repurchasing this one. I love this leave-in conditioner. Yes, I've been through a couple of these already since the year started. This one and the almond milk. The almond milk, damn, I'm obsessed with the smell. Definitely repurchasing. These are the one and only Argan Oil shampoo and conditioner. These, I have these since I was relaxed to transitioning. These are very good moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. I can rave about this. I would definitely repurchase these if I could find them in the stores, because they discontinued them, I guess. Me skinge them here, like me take time with them just when I make them done. This have the shampoo, I have a little bit of shampoo in this, but the conditioner empty. I can't find them anywhere else. This right here is the Gyre hair care products edge control. So in here, this, I think I've been through like 2 of these. When I had relaxed hair, that's how I started using this. I saw them on Instagram and made my purchase. This good hold for your edges, and it does not flake. Like, you know, you can barely find products that doesn't flake your edges. This doesn't, and it hold it. But for some reason, I don't think I'll repurchase. Nothing wrong with this. Nothing is wrong with this product. This product works well. It does its job, me not lie, and it's very popular. But I'm just gonna be honest with you guys, I wouldn't repurchase. So right here we have the Auris Olive Oil Replenishing Conditioner. This conditioner right here is my go-to when I'm doing deep conditioning treatments, or I'll like mix this with Jamaican black castor oil, or you know, just different oils. This right here, I always like mix it with other deep treatments, or I could use it by itself. This is very good. I've been through a lot of these over the years, from Relax Days to Natural, and I'm still going. I still purchase it every time I go to the store. I have to always purchase, but it's done. Usually I have a backup. I've never been this low to the point where empty bottle and no full bottle on the shelf. So I definitely have to go back to the store and get one more of these. This works really well. I love it. It makes my ear just soft and nice. When I wash out my hair, them curls be popping, like popping. Here we have the Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. This oil right here, I purchased this oil. And you know, it's a mistake when I purchased this oil. I was looking for, I don't know if you guys can see it, Aunt Jackie's soft all over oil, and they didn't have it. they didn't have it in store, and I was tired of looking, and I was like, you know what, let me just purchase this and use in the meantime until I find it. Girl, one of the best purchases I ever make. This oil right here, it's cheap, but it do a job. It do a job. And I was actually looking for an oil to, when I just started doing what, wash and go. But now I get up in on a seat already, stay there. But that oil is definitely worth a repurchase, and it's cheap. It's probably like $3 or so. It does the same thing like the soft all over. You say, oh, that expensive and that cheap. And I say expensive is probably like $10, the soft all over, and this is like $3. Same thing, sis, same thing. Me, I gotta take them up and show me. Yeah, like I was trying to explain to you guys just now, this, I don't remember the price, but it's probably around $10. Works really good, does its job, love it. This, $3. It's the same thing. I'm telling you, it does the same thing. So if you can't afford this, you can buy this. I'm not bringing down Aunt Jackie's or anything. They're awesome. They're one of my favorite products to use. Aunt Jackie's, I want to know that, because I always rave about them on here. But for the people who can't afford the expensive products, them, you have cheap products out there that work the same way like the expensive one. So yeah, just letting y'all know. This is the Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils. This is a wrapping foam in mousse. And let me tell you, this. Oh shoot, I just realized this is my first time braiding my hair and forgot to use the mousse. I usually put like the mousse on my hair. Now that I'm doing this, I remember, girl, you always mousse your hair. It keeps down the flyaways and make it last longer, but I never remember. I was just rushing because getting my hair done for Christmas and all of that, so I forgot. But this thing right here is amazing. I've been using this as well since my relaxed days. I used to do a lot of flexi rods. I was the flexi rod queen. So I don't know how I can't master this wash and go. I still use this in my natural hair care, but mostly when I do braids. It works really well, and I'm definitely gonna repurchase. I always repurchase the amount of this. I go through 20 of this, so it's always gonna be around. It's always gonna be on my shelf. So what we have here is the OK Coconut Conditioner, the deep moisturizing. Most of these products I have since my relaxed days, which is not that long ago. That's why I still have them. I just did my big chop this year. If you guys are new to my channel, you can go check out my big chop that I did in March. So I recently big chopped. So this works really well. This is infused with coconut, almond, and avocado oil. But unfortunately, I will not be repurchasing this. I don't know the reason why. It's because I'm seeing all these new products coming out. I mean, Aunt Jackie's and them are not new, but they're new to me since I started my natural hair. So I'm just like excited to try all these new products. I don't feel like I'm gonna be repurchasing this one when I have all these new products out there to try for natural hair, which I had this for. You guys get what I'm saying? Yeah, it's good, it works good, but I just won't be repurchasing. Trash. Not saying it is trash, but I'm gonna just rest it in the trash. Next we have the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I've been through a lot. Since I have natural hair, I've purchased a lot of these. It worked really good, I'm not gonna lie. This product works. As you can see on my shelf, I have the jar. They reach halfway. I don't know if, honestly, I don't know if I would repurchase this. I probably will in the future, but for now I won't be repurchasing this even when I'm out with the one on the shelf with the jar. Not saying in the future, because it does work. I like it, I really do. But my thing is with this product, when I mix, you know how when there are certain products you can only use with their line. Like this, I cannot use this with another product. that's when I get the flake, because I have low porosity here. So this, I just have to stick with products like this. Like I have to use the curl milk with this, or the gel with this. Even the gel for this, I would never repurchase that one. I have a video on when I use just this line only to do a wash and go. Hot mess. But using this by itself in your hair works really good. For now, no, I wouldn't repurchase. Until maybe in the future again I will, but for now no. We have the Aunt Jackie's Coconut Cream Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant. This, now if you ask, this is definitely a repurchase. This buttercream right here, smelling it right now after I'm done with this video, I just want to go to Target. It's not only the smell, it's just it. After you're done with your wash day routine and you apply this in your hair, one of the best products since sliced bread. This buttercream, put it on my hair, it's like magic happen. I will be repurchasing. Now if you ask, no question asked. And now we have the Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed Style and Shine Rescue. This is a quenching recovering conditioner. I don't have words. See, oh, me just that brag about the buttercream. This, I just got these products one day, and it done already. This, I can't even explain to you guys like how this just. All right, let me try to find my words, because this right here is the best conditioner I've ever used since I know myself. Sorry to say, but this is the best conditioner I've used. I'm not over exaggerate. This thing, when you use this conditioner, once you're done washing out your hair, you don't have to use anything else after. I am not over exaggerating. This it's like a conditioner, a moisturizer, everything in one. It just, your hair could be sleeping, it just say wake up. Your hair could be dead, it just say come back alive. The smell, no, the smell like mint tea, like real mint tea, you know, when they're Jamaica. You pick the mint tea and boil it, the actual bush. Smell just like that. I don't know why. And in the thing, it doesn't say anything about mint tea. I'm wondering if this tamanu oils, I don't know what that is. I really do like the smell. Once you put this in your hair, put on your cap, make it go on steam, or your plastic bag, and make it go on simmer in your ear, and then you wash it out. So my next repurchase, this one, 2. I'm getting 2, I'm sorry. I don't know about you, but I'm getting 2. 2. This feels like a yeah, we're happy, crazy, freaking lonely at the same time. It's me. Stop it. I forgot the words for that song. That was my jam. Oh yeah, wanna get it, run with it. Next we have the Fantasia Hair Polisher Heat Protector Straightening Spray. I don't know why I still have this. Listen, this used to be my go-to when I used to do my flat iron, do my blowouts, when I had relaxed hair. This thing works. But not ask. But no, I don't need this because I am not putting heat in my hair. So this is definitely, you know what I mean. But for those who use heat, this is good to use. It's aloe enriched and all these good up things. I'm not repurchasing this. Wild Growth Oil, Wild Growth Hair Oil, and Wild Growth Light Oil Moisturizer. This done. This I mixed with Jamaican black castor oil, you know, oil the scalp. this is really good. This is definitely a repurchase. This too. Alright, so we have here the Eco Style Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel. Love this gel. I can't seem to do a wash and go with it because my hair gets flaky after a couple of days. But the whole with this gel, when I do a ponytail, like a high puff or something, amazing. I did kind of cheat on this gel with the olive oil, and it's because when I went to the store they didn't have this one in the big container and I didn't want any more of the small one, so I did went ahead and purchased the olive oil gel. I'll get there soon with the olive oil gel, just give me time. But I did went ahead and purchase a big one. I'm never ever gonna cheat on you again, because what I've been through with the olive oil gel, never. The grass is not green on the other side. But I haven't used this as yet because I'm weird. It's not that I'm weird, it's just that I have this thing, people say it's OCD or whatever. I don't know. I have to finish the olive oil gel before I start using this. So, which the olive oil gel is last but not least. Yeah, I'm weird like that. Like I can't just jump from one to the next. So next we have the Eco Style Olive Oil. It's almost empty. Just a couple more use and it's done. This is the olive oil. I did use it. It's not as bad. It's not bad. This gives good hold. It does. And the first time I did a wash and go with this gel, amazing. It curls my hair way better than the black castor gel. Makes my curl pop more. But the smell, I don't know if it's a bad batch me gets, or I don't know if I'm the only one who have this problem. It's the same thing. I have the extreme gel right there too that I use one time and I'm never, it brand new same way. Just I find the right person who need it can take it. But I'm never, the smell, I feel like I got a bad batch. It just, this alcohol smell, it gives me a bad headache. Every time I use it, I just feel weird. Why I just do that? Maybe that's enough. It does flake my hair. I feel like this flake my hair more than the Jamaican black castor oil. But as you can see, I'm almost finished. And once I finish, this I won't be repurchasing. Sorry. We've been through a lot. I love you, but I can't repurchase you again. And it says alcohol free. Alcohol free weird. Just think of alcohol. I kind of feel bad for saying I won't repurchase it because it helped me through. See, it done. And I sincere me buy it, so just to show you it's not as bad, but I just the smell and it flake. You can't take the smell, brother. But that's it for my empties. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all understand when I explain about these products, even though sometimes the pot are dropping. I just can't help it. I am 100% true Jamaican way I talk say. And it just in me. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. This is the last video for 2019. 2020 we finna be lit. Sis, happy new year. Today is the 30th of December. I'm gonna try to put this video out by the 31st. So happy new year to everyone. I hope you all enjoy your holiday. Stay safe out there. Always remember to stay positive. Keep God in everything you do. And stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.